If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you adjust your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the game's audio settings and ensure that the audio output device is correctly set. Make sure it matches your current audio device, headphones, speakers, etc. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or motherboard and download the latest audio drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can resolve compatibility issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the audio quality settings in Overwatch 2. Sometimes high-quality audio settings can cause lag or desync. Experiment with low settings to see if it improves the situation. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using system resources. This can help free up processing power for the game, potentially reducing audio desync. Step 5. Restart the game. After making changes, restart Overwatch 2 to ensure that all settings are applied correctly. This can help reset any temporary issues causing audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Overwatch 2 quickly. Enjoy your gaming.